Welcome to Tesla's Super Destinations,
where we review Tesla's charging infrastructure and get to know the cool people there.
Today we're landing at the flight at Tustin Legacy in Tustin, California.
Let's get charged up.
Hello, this is Blue Leader, and we're here in Tustin, California, where they have a total of 12 Superchargers. I just want to thank you guys for hanging out with us, so please continue to roll that support. There's a like button, there's a subscribe, and if you know anyone that wants to hang with us, make sure you share the content over with them. So here are my initial impressions of this Tustin Supercharger. Initial thoughts: 12 Superchargers, but right now, I think 6 work. I think 4, 5, or 6 of them are non-functional. It's brand new, so maybe they ought to straighten that out. Otherwise, if that little technical glitch was out of the way, it's a pretty nice, new, cool-looking Supercharger area. Initial feelings: I've got a feeling of a little bit of excitement. Every time you've got something new, you've got new possibilities. There's a lot of cool eateries here, and also the possibilities of new things going wrong, like, Superchargers not working. Initial concerns: I'm not concerned whatsoever. This seems to be a really safe place. They probably have a lot of activity Monday through Friday, and it seems like there's a lot of development here for mixed-use residential and commercial. So I think this place is going to be popping in a few years' time. Thank you so much, and hang tight for the review. Let's give our guest Noah our ear so he can tell us about the area.
I really like this location. It's really quiet, very clean, everything's super nice. There's a walking trail up along the other side here, so in addition to the restaurants and everything that are over here, so it's a good location. Again, it's a quiet and safe area. Obviously, I was here the other night and I saw a bunch of families out here with their kids, just kind of hanging out and things like that. And then in addition, I think there's a gym over on the other side as well, so there's some stuff to do for sure.
Now, if there were no Superchargers here, would you still come back to this parking lot?
No. Good question. No, I would not.
How come?
Because I came here for the Supercharger.
1 full star for chargers, 12 of them at 250 kV, 24/7. When we went there, 6 in a row were completely offline. We'll give them the benefit of the doubt because this is a new Supercharger, but this definitely needs to be fixed. 1/2 star for bathrooms, 583 feet away. Just walk towards the center of the buildings and it's adjacent to the mess hall area, aka the food area. A full star for safety, well-lit outdoor parking. 1 full star for food and beverage. There's a lot of cool local eateries at the mess hall. Cool factor gets a full star. Take a nice hike around this well-designed complex where you can work, chill, and eat in the mess hall area. The flight at Tustin Legacy in Tustin, California gets a 4.5 TSD rating. Non-rated noteworthy mentions: 1 mile from the 55 freeway Dyer Road exit. Let's give our guest Noah the final word.
Do you charge at home?
No, I just got my Tesla 5 days ago for my birthday, so that was great, but I am waiting for the Tesla, the home charger to be sent in the mail. So I have it and I'm on the way to getting it, but I don't currently charge at home. And my Tesla did not come with one of the plug-and-go chargers. I thought it would, and it didn't. It came with no charger, so I was forced to only use Superchargers.
All right. Now, why do you supercharge?
Because I have no other choice. Like I just said, I have not gotten the at-home charger yet, and I am still waiting to get also one of those plug into the wall ones where you can go to your friend's house and plug it in, even though charge is slower. They're out of stock online, so Elon, if you could fix that, that would be great.
Noah, is there anyone in time or history who you would want to mentor you?
I would like to be mentored by Jack. I don't know his last name, but the person who originally was the CEO of Twitter.
Jack Dorsey.
Yeah, Jack Dorsey. I think that he created like a insane platform that has, changed the way that we communicate forever. And I think that he would be a really cool person to be mentored by.
Now I'm wondering, are you currently mentoring anyone in your life right now?
Not like specifically. I think that I, started my own company when I was 25 years old, and so I like to think that people might be interested in what I have to say, but in reality I'm just kind of doing what I think is best, and I'm going to, go for it. And if anyone is interested in what I have to say, then I would be glad to share that knowledge with them.
Do you have any final words of wisdom for the people out there?
Yeah, just be nice to everyone. Like, it's not that hard, and it doesn't really cost you anything extra to be just nice to everyone.
Very cool. Thank you so much for your time.
Yeah, of course. Have a great day. Thank you.
Congrats! You made it to the end. Comment your electric thoughts and share with your circle of trust.
Thanks for letting us supercharge your Tesla destination.
See you at our next super destination.
Wait, Jess, who do I think is sexy? I can't think of anyone. Like, it's so on the spot. Oh my god, there's a guy on YouTube, his name is Abel Cardin. I think that he is very sexy.